Hello students, welcome to Career 360. This weekend we actually had the CUET announcing its round 2 cutoffs. And what we're doing now is branch wise we're taking off all the colleges that offer that particular branch. In this case we're talking of economics. We already done one for BCom and BCom honors. We're talking of economics and everything to do with economics. There are allied branches also. What we'll do is we'll compare the round 2 cutoff of 2026 as compared to what happened in round 2 last year. And if we don't have round 2, we'll look at the nearest possible, which is round 3 or the end of it also. We'll also show you where it ended last year so that you know what the space that you have to carry, the opportunity that you have and the space that you have where you must still get in, despite the fact that at this point in time the cutoffs are very high for you, right? And it's, as I told you, it's round 2 cutoff is what we're comparing 25 versus 26. We're talking of all DU colleges for BA Economics and all the allied branches of BA Economics. A lot of you also have come to us saying that there is a possibility that you might not be getting a branch of your choice or a program of your choice in DU, in which case you wanted to explore the opportunities or options for the private colleges that are there in Delhi NCR. In which case we opened a helpline for you people. Send us a message on this number 8130-3763334. Send us a message apply if you're looking for private universities. And if you want to get into any of the foreign university campuses that are being set up in India, this is the name FOREIGN, foreign, used on the same number. So because we have separate counselors for each of them, these people will call up and explain to you what are the options that are there, because about 12-15 universities are already foreign universities, which are in the top 500 globally, are also setting up campus in India. And do subscribe to Career 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide the best college option for yourself. And this is a large series, as I said, for all the CUET aspirants. This is very important. And this CUET information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. Now, economics and all, DU. Let's start from the top. Hindu College seems to be the most preferred at this point in time. BA program English plus Economics. That's the program that you have, where the round 2 cutoff was 90.68. Last year we don't have round 2 cutoff, and round 3 also they don't have, which means that by the end of round 2 itself the program was full, right? But it ended with 894.51 last year. Then we have Lady Shri Ram College for Women, BA program Economics plus Political Science, 905.70 this year. Last year it ended at 897.20 by the time it finished its counseling. Miranda House BA program Economics plus Political Science, 904.16. It ended with 885.54. When you actually don't have this, it means that it ended by the time it finished in round 2. So there might not be much chance, is what this signifies when we show this data. But we don't know how things will pan out. Maybe something will come up. It's an opportunity. But this is what happened last year. And we don't have round 3 data, which means that the filling in has happened much before the round 2 happened. Lady Shri Ram College for Commerce, BA Honors Economics, 892.56 this year. It ended with 908.90 last year. Hansraj College, 886.72 this year. Last year it was 873 in round 3, right? But ended with 874.96, which means by the time the round finished, there might be a spot round where it shot up. St. Stephen's College, BA Honors Economics, 885.77. Last year it was 904.62. Kirorimal, BA Program Economics plus Political Science, 883.84. It was 859.13 last year. Now, whenever you have these things now where there's a combination that's happening, the scores are very volatile. You must know that because it's a combination that is working on, and the permutation combinations are very, very high in the DU counseling process. So just be very cautious when you're reading this data also. Hindu College, BA Honors Economics. And this is clean, by the way. Whenever you actually have a clean program, it is very clean. But the moment you get into this combinations is where it creates a problem. Hindu College, BA Honors Economics, 877.84. Last year it ended 888.17. Lady Shri Ram College for Women, BA Program Economics plus Mathematics, 871.19 in round 2 this year. Last year it ended at 890.34. Lady Shri Ram, BA Program Computer Applications plus Economics, 864.01 this year. Last year 863.64, it ended. Miranda, BA Program Economics plus History, 860.39 this year. Last year it is 861.06. Hansraj, BA Program Economics plus History, 855.25 current year, 845.34 last year. Kirorimal, BA Program Economics plus History, 851.14 this year, 841.92 in the last year. Lady Shri Ram College for Women, BA Economics, 848.31 this year, 874.39 last year. Hansraj College, BA Honors Economics again, 846.25 current year, 864.50 last year. Kirorimal, BA Program Economics plus Philosophy, 845.38 this year, 840.41 last year. Miranda, BA Program Economics plus Mathematics, 841.44 this year, 855.95 last year. Sri Venkateswara College, BA Program Economics plus Mathematics, 835.37 this year. Last year, the end of round 3 was 816.45. But by the time it finished, in the last round, it went down up to 832.15, which means spot happened. Gargi College BA program Economics plus Psychology 834.99 in the current year. Last year 836.93. Kirurimal College BA Economics 833.16 current year, 850.16 last year. Miranda BA Honors Economics 831.26 this year, 850.31 last year. Ramjas College BA Honors Economics 820.78 in the current year, round 2. Last year round 3 830.15, ended with 841.16. So what's happening is in DU is, as students don't get the college or branch of your choice, they're moving up and the score seems to be moving up and not moving down. And that is something that you must be very careful about. So if you get it something, you must freeze and move on from it with it. Otherwise, there's a problem coming here. Sri Venkateshwara 820.76 BA Honors Economics at this point in time, 831.27 last year, 842.75 is what happened last year. Gargi College BA Program Economics plus Political Science 817.57 this year, 796.19 last year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College BA Program Economics plus Political Science 813.07 this year, 841.13 in the last year, 841.13. It is where it ended after round 3 in the final rounds also. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College 807.10 this year, 823.14 last year by the time it finished. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College again 805. This BA program Economics plus History. This is a combination I am talking about. Ended with 807.64 last year. Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa again BA program Economics plus Mathematics 803.08 current year, 826.28 last year. Jesus and Mary 796.06 for BA Honors Economics, 819.8 last year. Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce BA Honors Economics 785.53 this year, 806.39 last year. Indraprastha BA program Commerce plus Economics combination 781.59 current year, 828.70 last year. Daulat Ram BA program Economics plus Mathematics 776.64 current year, last year is 8404.88. Gargi College BA Honors Economics 773.26 current year, last year was 799.77. Daulat Ram College BA Honors Economics 771.08 this year, last year was 794.68. Delhi College of Arts and Commerce BA program Economics plus Mathematics 770.55 current year, last year was 796.47. Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College BA Honors Economics 768.05 current year, last year was 793.95. Ramanujam College BA program Economics plus Psychology combination 767.11 current year, round 2, 752.7 it ended last year. Shahid Bhagat Singh College BA Honors Economics 766.11 current year, last year was 803.59 at end of round 3 and ended with 824.5. Jesus and Mary College BA program Economics plus Mathematics 764.19 current year, last year it ended with 778.69. Indraprastha College for Women BA Honors Economics 757.09 in current year, last year was 760.55, ended with 788.20. Indraprastha College for Women BA program Economics plus Mathematics 757.04 current year, last year it ended with 774.88. So that's what we have for economics and all the allied branches that you have. As I told you, if you're still wondering of what to do if you don't have a decent score or if you're not getting a program or college of your choice and you want to exercise the option of getting into any private universities, this is the number on which 8130-3763334. Send us a message, apply if you want to join any of the private universities. If you want to get into any of the foreign campuses that are setting up campus in India, these are top foreign universities that are setting up campus in India based on the Government of India policy. It's all UGC approved. Send us a message foreign and on the same number, and we'll have a separate, different counselor call you up. And do subscribe to Career 60 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves based on CUET and DU. If you want any help, do call us up or message us and we'll be happy to do that. You can send a message DU on the same number. We'll also have a counseling for that. And these are large series that we're doing. And this CUET Information and Guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. I hope this helps you. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. Thank you so much. Namaste.